At night now. Yeah. So we know under the lights, we got a borrowed plane.
Yep, borrowed plane. Tell us about the plane, Matt. What do you got here?
I have no idea. I'm still trying to figure out what the switches do.
What does that button do?
We don't know.
We don't know yet.
Did you press it?
I did, and I don't know what happened.
Are you comfortable with the Futaba?
No, I'm definitely not a Futaba guy.
That's fantastic. I love this. He's going into a cold turkey. Hey, Colin. He's going into a cold turkey at night at an airplane that's unproven, and he's got a ponytail. It's awesome.
We've also got Nick here.
Yeah, we got Nick.
Yeah, Nick's just throwing down the challenge.
Yeah. And Nick is coming off a very hard afternoon.
Futabas feel like a jetty.
Futabas feel like a jetty.
Feel like a jetty? Okay.
Okay, well, ponytail, let's go. Here we go.
All right.
It does sound pretty healthy. I'm going to back it up just a hair so I can see what's going on. I think we're going to get the 3/4 flick after takeoff. Here it comes. There it is.
Oh, signature.
Right into a hover. Let's go over here and talk to Matt while he's flying.
Well, that's, I think most pilots appreciate hearing the commentary.
Of course they can. Oh, there's a bit of a crankshaft there.
That looked good. Yeah.
It did look good. It was crisp.
Very crisp. I want to point out this is excellent lighting here we have tonight.
It is excellent lighting.
Fantastic.
Oh, there we go. Right into a big time hover. Big time hover.
Oh yeah, we got a bit of a hover.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
A rolling circle at night, followed by another rolling circle. This is outstanding.
This is almost
and listen to the music. It's going to make his dick hard here because this is super duper music here.
Yeah. I'm going to bring the music a bit.
Look at this, right into the unknown. It's out of sight, folks. There it is. And it's coming back down to earth. Colin, what do you think?
I think he's, well, now that we can see it, I think it's a pretty wicked spin.
All you could see was the red ignition light. I believe that was ignition light. It may have been the holy shit light. Holy inverted flight, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Now, maybe, there it is again. I wonder if we can talk Matt into his super maneuver, that alley-oop thing he does. Here it comes.
Call that again?
It's called the alley-oop. Here it is. Up, over, and inverted departure. Don't crash the airplane. There we go. Okay.
Okay, that's nice.
I
admire how he's able to keep it in a small envelope.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Well, Colin, what do you think of that?
That's beautiful.
It is beautiful. The control Matt is expressing today is just phenomenal. Look at his circuit control. And seriously, all we can see is a hint of white and that goddamn ignition light. Sounds solid. He goes to the upline.
Oh, pop.
That's kind of a shitty pop top. I wonder if he can do another one.
Did he one?
Yeah.
I think though, because it's dark in the lights, like just so we can see it better, I think you should probably do it a bit lower.
Yeah, that too. Or maybe
it's not.
Maybe old Ponytail can show us a hover. I'm not sure if he's capable or if he's comfortable. Oh, look, he's right on the deck, Colin.
He's right down on the deck. Yeah. Oh, that's a beautiful shot.
That's an excellent.
Yeah.
That white and red really gleams in that light.
It does. We'd like to get the sign in the shot though.
Yeah.
If you can.
Yeah. Feel free to come in from the tree line if you want to come a little closer and give us a view of the airplane. Just saying.
That's fantastic.
That is outstanding. Right against the backlight of the Arnprior logo. Look at that. Vertical departure for everybody. Little wing wag. Oh, an ass over tea kettle. This is good.
Oh, he does. Let me just.
Oh.
Yeah, he's got a little bit of a stance going as well. I don't know if you want to see that in the shot or not. But
I'm going to pull back and we're going to take a look at.
Have a look. The stance is good.
Look at the stance. Yeah, he's showing everybody. That's outstanding.
I think it's nice.
He's really showing the length of his dick on this one. Look at this knife edge turns. That is super. I tell you, for a guy that doesn't have flown this airplane much, he is really doing well. Oh, there we go, right up into the darkness again. Again with the goddamn.
that light.
Oh, that light is outstanding.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Whoa. Oh, okay, little. Look,
Sorry, Robbie.
That's good.
there's a little panic pull there. Little panic pull.
Look at him just showing off that bottom
Yeah.
scheme on the airplane. It's just nice.
I think you're gonna have to do that again, Matt. But compliments of Lima Peru. Here we go.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And there's a little side note from the peanut gallery. I think they're joining in.
Yeah, for sure. You never know. It's always good to hear from everyone.
Oh yeah. Well, you get Chirpy Trevor over there. He starts dancing around telling everybody how cool he is. It's great.
For sure. He can still.
There it is. Oh, we were looking for a tail touch. Little tail touch. Yep, there it is. There it is. That's outstanding.
That was so close.
That's outstanding. You know, you make me want to be a better pilot. This is super.
This is awesome. This is great.
Look at that.
Did I mention this is a borrowed airplane?
Yeah, this is a borrowed airplane. See how low he pulls? Oh, he chickened out, son of a gun.
Maybe I should have brought up that borrowed airplane thing.
And look at that, we're right into a rolling Harrier.
That's a nice tight rolling curve.
Whoa.
Beautiful.
Got a little backwards there. There's another backward. Oh! Oh. Don't quit now. Look at that red light. It's super.
I think maybe, you know, Matt's flying really well here.
He's flying outstanding.
I think
And he's
it's all that
still
fresh air
climbing.
from like Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu.
Yeah. Either that or
Oh.
he was deprived of some oxygen.
Look at this. There's a cranker all the way down.
Oh, nice.
Let's see how low he can go.
Hello.
He's going. Oh, you chicken shit.
Not my airplane.
Bob is shaking his head right now.
Yeah. We do want to send a shout out to Bob. We hope he gets better soon.
Yeah, absolutely, Bob.
He's
I hope. Oh, there we go. There's the Astrovertica. It'll move.
looking good. Yep. That's right. You got to remember to push, not pull.
Yes.
So, fellas, how do we feel about the 10 o'clock demo?
Nice. Good job.
Yeah,
Very good.
that's really all you got. Okay. There it is. There it is, folks. Matt McGuire, everybody.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah, we're here all week.
I don't know where the off switch is. Heads up.
Send a shout out to Ed.
Seriously.
Send a shout out to Ed.
Hey, buddy. Wish you were here, man. We're all rooting for you. Fast recovery. We'll see you at Huckfest. You're the glue that holds this community together, man. We love you. We'll see you soon, bud.
Yeah, man.
Well said.
That's awesome.
I tell you, that's incredible. Nice job.
Maple flavored smoke.